In the UK alone, we have 8,000 pedestrian casualties every year, and we have something like 2 million crashes. That creates 430,000 whiplash injuries as well. AEB, or autonomous emergency braking, are new systems being fitted to many new vehicles that can automatically sense the environment around them and a potential collision threat, so they can look for cars and even people that the vehicle may run into and take avoiding action. AEB systems use a mixture of sensors to classify a potential threat and either warn or even brake on behalf of the driver to avoid a collision. This vehicle is fitted with a radar at the front of the vehicle, but also a camera here and a LiDAR system as well. And this vehicle is specifically designed to identify pedestrians into something we call sensor fusion. So if a pedestrian walks out in front of the vehicle, the system will warn the driver, and if the driver doesn't react, will apply the brakes to stop that pedestrian casualty. The future looks like being stereoscopic cameras, where we have two cameras that can more accurately identify a potential collision threat and give you an earlier and more accurate warning or intervention on behalf of the driver. AEB systems are part of an array of technologies that we call driver assistance systems being fitted to many vehicles now. And the stereoscopic cameras offer a lot of solutions for other potential situations. For instance, they can monitor when the driver deviates out of the lane, or even can read road signs to remind the driver of the posted speed limit. There are no obvious disbenefits to AEB systems. Although early systems had a habit of braking on behalf of the driver when it wasn't necessary, these new systems with sensor fusion are much more accurate and avoid any of those disbenefits. And as these systems are becoming cheaper and cheaper and are integrated into our vehicle, we're going to see a whole new generation of drivers expecting their vehicle to have an AEB system and to protect them, just like the seatbelt does today. AEB systems offer huge potential to reduce injuries on our roads every year. In the UK alone, we have 8,000 pedestrian injuries. And if every vehicle was fitted with a system like this, we'd see something like 2,500 fewer pedestrians being injured. We also have 430,000 whiplash injuries created when one car runs into the back of the other. Systems like this LiDAR systems, are able to sense that and reduce those casualties by something like 150,000. AEB systems will stop that horrific situation of a child that doesn't look running across the road and you hitting them.